what is the perfect gift? Well, some people say that the best present is to just be present. And look, as much as I agree with that, I think there's something even better. I think the best present is to be the present. So I've never made a custom candle before, but if I want to do it, there's 4 basic steps. The first of them being to actually get a 3D scan of my face. So it turns out, it's harder to take your 3D scan of your face than you realize. It's a good thing I have a wife. Even with my wife's help, I still had to get multiple scans and then combine them in a 3D modeling software so that I could get this, the final version. It's not perfect, but I can fix it with a bit of sandpaper after we 3D print it. Speaking of 3D printing, how cool. Okay, so I've sanded it down. Oh my gosh, look at my face. So I've sanded it down, now I just have to drill a hole straight through the middle so that we can put a wick in. So now we're on to step 3, casting. So this was actually the easiest part of the whole process. All I had to do was suspend the 3D model and then combine the 2-part silicone. And then that's it, left it for 24 hours and ready to make a candle. Now we finally get to step 4. Wax.
The next day.
Okay, so this thing has been sitting overnight and now it's finally time to take it out and see what my face candle looks like. But Joel, you're probably asking, this doesn't even look that good. And you know, I would totally agree. That's why I spent the next week trying to figure out different colors and mixtures to try and get the best candle that I could. So it's only just occurred to me that after making 15 of these, that maybe I should check how they look when they burn, because I have a feeling they're gonna look absolutely terrifying. Oh well. So now it's finally time to see if this is indeed a good gift. Now there just so happens to be 2 birthdays in my family this week. My little brother and my sister-in-law.
I actually have one. Oh my gosh. I don't know whether to trust you anymore.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Is that Joel?
Is that literally Joel?
Yes.
Is that your face? I was like, that's a really ugly version of me.
So what is the best present? Well, as much as I thought it would be a candle of my face as the present, it's not. The best thing that I've found are those moments right after the camera turns off, when it's just you and your family and your friends. The best present is being present. How cliche.